What's going on, you guys? Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. Man, that's my dog, Bella. Actually, my wife's dog, for the record. She brought that dog into this relationship. My question for you, however, oh man, my camera's dirty. There we go, that's better. Maybe a little bit. My question for you guys is this. Man, that's really dirty. There we go, that's a little better. My question is, how are you going to survive? You know, I'm sitting here thinking, you got some food on the grill, gonna grill out, barbecue. My son's hammock out here on the patio, way too high. And I just got done coaching a couple hours ago. And what's up, Cynthia? I see you jumping on here, lady. My question is, how are you guys going to survive? You see, we're going into a deeper dive into this pandemic. And how do I know that? Because buyers are buying at a much more discounted price. And so when some of you have been doing your business and trying, not being your business, but you've been trying to do your business, others of you have hired other coaches and mentors, but you've sucking up all this free information as much as you can, or maybe you haven't hired a mentor and you've just been sucking up free information and not taking action. My question for you is, how are you going to survive? You see, I was coaching earlier and one of the students asked me a question it just made sense to me, and I realized, man, this is something that you guys really think about. And that question was, do you feel that we need to contract prices lower than normal, meaning instead of 70 or 75% and selling for 75 or 80, actually contracting at 60 or 65%? And the answer is an astounding yes. Hell, you should have already been doing that anyways if you were in business for profit. But now that you have to do that in order to make a decent living in this, how are you going to survive? You see, I've talked to about 99% of all the other coaches and mentors out there, and they all teach systems, they all teach processes, but there's nobody that helps you negotiate. And you guys have been following me for a couple of years, and you guys know that there's nobody out there that will help you get to the finish line faster with bigger results. And so after talking to my coaching student and hearing this, I wonder how many of you are going to survive? Are you going to hopefully wait for the next tide? Are you going to just give up on yourself? Because at the end of the day, if you're going to give up on yourself, just quit now. Make room for the rest of us. If you're not going to give up and still fail because you're not willing to change, then give up now. Or if you want to be like the other 300 plus members of this group, out of the thousands that are in this group, that have had 100% success rate coaching with my team and I, shoot me a message, jump on my calendar, ask me what we're doing differently, but don't just do nothing. You see, 99% of you guys are going to fail, and that's just the way business is. 99% of you will fail at this real estate thing. And that's not okay for me. You see, I didn't get into coaching because I wanted to. I got into coaching because I had to. It was a necessity because somebody that I knew was getting shit on by their coach. Somebody else that I knew didn't want to actually scale and pivot their business and keep it all to themselves. Both of those people are failing, and they're failing miserably. And so I've been super blessed to be surrounded by a very small group of entrepreneurs. My business partner, Cynthia. Thank you, Cynthia. I appreciate that. What's up, Jordan? Thanks for jumping on. I've been fortunate and blessed to be surrounded by people that want to take action, want to actually implement a proven process and system, and aren't afraid to pivot. You see, like they said, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. And at the end of the day, you guys are going to fail if you don't take the appropriate actions. And the actions right now in real estate, in wholesaling, you don't have any choice but to be virtually wholesaling. So the fact that I've had virtual wholesaling groups for 2.5, 3 years, and I've been coaching with a 100% success rate, that should tell you something to get off your ass and reach out, because it hurts me to hear these types of questions like, do you think that we should be doing that? Well, yeah, you should have been doing it anyways, but nobody else is going to teach you that shit. And it's frustrating to me to know that there's somebody telling you guys to go contract a property at 75% and try and sell it at 85%, and you wonder why the national average assignment's between $5,000 and $6,000. Granted, you can make a lot of money if you do 2 or 3 of those a month, but why would you waste your time when you can do 5 or 6 of those a month for $10,000 or $15,000? Just throwing it out there, you guys. At the end of the day, I don't care what anybody thinks about me. I don't care what anybody else is doing. I focus on me and the people that are serious about working with me. And if that's you and you want to take your business to the next level, you want to get on the same playing field as the rest of our Academy members, shoot me a message, or I'm going to post in the comment section my calendar. Jump on my calendar and let's talk about why my students get the results that they do. Not only is it the fact that my name of our company is REI Results, it's in our blood. It's in our brokerage. It's in our coaching. It's in our wholesale company. It's all about results. And I want to get those for you. So if and only if you're serious about getting involved in this business or taking your business to the next level, I'm going to put my calendar link in the comments. Do yourself a favor. Jump on my calendar. Let's get you unstuck. And let's talk about how you're going to survive this pandemic. Because right now, we've never been busier, and it's an amazing opportunity for you. So if you're in this business and you're not doing 4 or 5, 10 deals a month consistently, you've got problems. And if you're not doing that, you're most likely in that 99th percentile that's going to fail, because shit's about to hit the storm. So I'm excited to be on here. I'm not bitching and whining. I'm just frustrated that most of you are sitting around on the fence and not taking action and asking questions like, should we be contracting at a lower price? You should have started doing that. What's up, Luis? My man. Luis will tell you, he's one of our newest Academy members. He's seen 2 or 3 live streams in the other side of this group, in the paid group. Night and day. Night and day. The group, the camaraderie, the love and patience and respect that we have for each other, it's all about results. And so if you're not a part of my group and you're asking me questions about should we be contracting lower, you're damn right you should. You're damn right. So you should have been doing that before you ever had a pandemic. That's just my opinion. I love you guys. God bless you. Stay sharp. I got food to eat, son to hang out with, and I'll see y'all at the top. Take care, y'all.